Description: a one-and-done spray for curly girls that replaces the use of gels, creams and serums that leave hair dull and crunchy. Benefits: suggested use: apply liberally and evenly to clean, damp hair. Finger comb through to distribute, then air dry or blow dry with a diffuser. Top reviews from the United States. Works very well for me. Everyone's hair is different, so I know this product isn't going to work for everyone. I love it. I can definitely tell the difference when I do and don't use it. My curls are way more defined and less frizzy when I use it. I don't have to do as much curl refreshing the next few days after using it. My hair is extremely curly, I would say majority 3C type curls. I am mixed, my mom is black and my dad is white, to give you a very broad idea of what my hair is like. I would definitely purchase again when I run out, but I will say I don't feel it's absolutely necessary to use every single day. I forget to use it most days, but when I do remember, I definitely love how it looks.